But girl, can you see that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. It's your girl Mercy, and on this channel I film about faith, lifestyle, and today I don't know if you guys are seeing something, like my hair is popping. And so I don't know if you guys have been following my previous videos. You're gonna see that I have what the length is before now, but my hair was longer than this, so I'm gonna show you guys a short video, but I cut the hair already. So I kind of trimmed my hair a little bit, and I'm like, you know what, I want to do something different. I want to go for a different color. I want to go for a different look. Yes, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this color without using a bleach. Yep, girl, no bleach. My hair is natural, so I imagine having a bleach on it is gonna affect it in so many ways, the texture and everything. So I was like, yeah, I don't want to go to the bleach thing. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have to color my hair to days without using a bleach. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the color. It's kind of cute, although the video is kind of a little bit darker because I did the video in the bathroom, and let me not lie to you, like I was literally tired making the video, but I'm like, you know what, I'm still gonna make the video anyways. So I did the video anyway, so just to show you guys how I did it, because I know a lot of people use bleach and everything, yeah, but for we natural gang, like natural hair gang, like, oh, we don't need bleach in our hair. There's a lot of videos and a lot of people saying that when you put color on your hair, it changes the texture of your hair, but mine, I don't know, I still have the natural, you see, I still have the natural thing. Like it didn't change the texture of my natural thing, and I love the texture, and like it looks more kinkier to me right now than the way it was before. Yeah, and the funny thing is that I don't have any product on it right now. Like, no, literally, look, this is just like a wash. I just washed it, and I actually put the pins in when it was wet, and that was it. That was it. Like point blank period. Like point blank period. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I made sure my hair was dry with no product in it, and I had my gloves ready, and I'm also going to be using the Deck a Lovely New Field Resistance in color 376. So I read through the instructions to be sure on what I'm doing exactly, so you can also read through the instruction just to be sure on what you're doing. Make sure you shake it well when you add it together, and I also add my hair into 4 sections, so it's gonna be easier for me to put the colors in. And also I'm only coloring the top of my hair, not all my hair, so because I wanted like a two-tone color, so like the black at the bottom and the color at the top. So but if you want yours colored all around, so you make sure that you put the color through from the root of your hair to the top of your hair. And boom, I'm using a foil paper because I want the heat to settle in, and I also want the color to come out real good. And yep, the foil paper is one method you don't want to miss out. And I also have my shower cap on, and I have my towel around my hair because I want that color coming out popping. Yes, popping. Yep. So that's it. After I have it for I think about 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, I think that's long, but because I wanted a very good result, like with the color, so that's why I had it in for that long. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, like, what's up? Well, let's talk. What is going on? To subscribe to my channel is free. Please do subscribe to this channel. If you find my content interesting, please let me know in the comment section below if you love this video, and if you're gonna try having to color your natural hair, because I know a lot of people are kind of scared of coloring the natural hair because it's gonna change the texture or something. But girl, can you see that your natural hair is still gonna be intact? Yeah, it's still gonna be intact. So give that color a try, and yes, put in the comment section below if you're gonna give it a trial. Yeah, because 2020 is already stressful on its own, so we need some color in our life to pop it up. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace. What do I have a good say? Peace.